stop pausing your gameplay just to tell people where they can follow you at. On this one, I'm going to show you how to make a clean and simple social media looper that's going to do the heavy lifting for you. Let's get started. First, you're going to come to this website, profounder.com. Shout out to Profounder. They are the creator of this website. They make it really, really easy for us to make these social media loopers. So you're going to come here. You're going to find which social media looper you want. They have ones for individual social media such as Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever. But they also have some that will scroll through all the ones that you choose. And that's what we're going to be working with today. So we're going to scroll down. We're going to find one that we want to work with. For instance, let's go ahead and work with this one, the social media rotator. We're going to click on that. Once you have clicked on that, this one is free. They do have paid options, but this one is free. We're going to click on create 1080p, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So once you have clicked that button, it's going to take you to a screen like this. The first thing we're going to worry about here is the social media account. There you can choose how many social medias you want to include, up to 6. For the sake of the video, I'm going to keep 3. And then we're going to go down to social media 1. It's my Instagram. You can type in whatever you want. I'm going to type in Xvallo. And then TikTok, I have the exact same name at Xvallo. And then here on YouTube, I have the exact name at Xvallo also. You're going to obviously change it to whatever your handle is for each respective social media. Once you have done that, you can come back up here. You can check preview, if you want to. But you can also change the coloring of social media icon in the text. So for instance, if I make it this red here, I can make it the red. I can click check preview. It's going to change the text and the icon to that red. You can also change the box background color. You can enable a border, and you can change that border. If you are wanting a transparent one, which I do think transparent looks a little better, I recommend making this box background color into like the green screen green. And then later on, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that so that you just have the icon and the lettering, not the box or anything like that. So if you want that transparent look, go ahead and change it to that green screen green. We can hit check preview and we'll move on from there just to make sure everything is fine. And I'll see you on the next part. So once you have your social media looper, how you want it to look, you're going to hit the next step button. What it's going to do is take you to this screen here. And for as long as I've been using it, at least there's been a queue because there's so many people using it. This is going to run through the queue, usually gives you about 3 minutes. You're going to wait that 3 minutes, and then I'm going to see you on the next step. So once that queue is over, you will see a screen like this. With most of the loopers, you will get 3 options where you can have a green screen background, you can have a blue background, which is basically just a green screen background also, and then you can have the WebM with a transparent background. For the sake of this one, I'm just going to choose the MP4 with the green background. And then also I made the green background on the actual social media itself. So it'll be really easy just to remove that so that